Have you ever wanted to make money online? Affiliate marketing is a great way to do it. As an Amazon affiliate, you can earn commissions by recommending products to people. Here's how it works. You sign up for the Amazon affiliate program and get your own unique links. You share these links on your website, blog, or social media. When someone clicks on your link and buys something from Amazon, you get a commission. It's that simple. Amazon affiliate marketing is a great way to monetize your online presence. Whether you have a website, blog, or just a social media following, you can start earning money today. Ready to get started? Signing up for the Amazon affiliate program is easy and free. Just go to the Amazon Associates website and click on the Join Now for Free button. You'll need to create an Amazon account if you don't already have one. Then, you'll provide some basic information about your website or social media platform. Amazon will review your application, and you'll usually be approved within 24 hours. Once you're approved, you can start creating affiliate links and promoting products. It's that easy to become an Amazon associate and start earning money online. One of the keys to success with Amazon affiliate marketing is choosing the right products to promote. It's important to select products that you're passionate about and that will resonate with your audience. Think about the topics you blog about, the videos you create, or the things you share on social media. What kind of products would your audience be interested in? If you're passionate about cooking, for example, you could promote kitchen appliances, cookbooks, or gourmet food items. By choosing products that you're knowledgeable and enthusiastic about, you'll be more likely to create compelling content that will convert your audience into customers. Remember, the goal is to recommend products that you genuinely believe in and that will provide value to your audience. Section 4. Spreading the word. Promoting your affiliate links effectively. Now that you've chosen some products to promote, it's time to start sharing your affiliate links. There are many different ways to do this, but here are a few ideas. Write product reviews on your blog or website. Create videos demonstrating how to use the products. Share your affiliate links on social media. Include your affiliate links in your email signature. The key is to be creative and find ways to naturally incorporate your affiliate links into your content. Don't just spam your links everywhere. Focus on providing value to your audience and recommending products that you think they'll love. Remember to disclose that you're an Amazon affiliate. This is important for transparency and building trust with your audience. Section 5. Keeping it real. Authenticity and understanding your audience. Authenticity is crucial for success in affiliate marketing. People can spot a fake from a mile away, so it's important to be genuine in your recommendations. Don't promote products that you don't actually like or use just because they have a high commission rate. Focus on recommending products that you believe in and that you think your audience will find valuable. Take the time to understand your audience and what they're looking for. What are their pain points? What are their interests? Once you understand your audience, you can tailor your recommendations to their needs. Section 6. Tracking your success. Amazon's tools for affiliates. Amazon provides a variety of tools to help you track your performance and optimize your campaigns. The Amazon Associates dashboard gives you access to detailed reports on your clicks, conversions, and earnings. You can use this information to see which products are performing well and which ones aren't. You can also track your progress over time and see how your earnings are growing. By using Amazon's tracking tools, you can make data-driven decisions to improve your results and maximize your affiliate income. Experiment with different products, promotional strategies, and content formats to see what works best for you and your audience. Section 7. Ready, set, earn. Embark on your affiliate marketing journey. Starting an Amazon affiliate business is a great way to earn money online while sharing your passion for products with the world. It's a simple concept with the potential for significant income. Remember to choose products that resonate with you and your audience, create high-quality content, and promote your links strategically. Stay authentic, track your progress, and don't be afraid to experiment. With dedication and effort, you can build a successful affiliate marketing business and achieve your financial goals. So, what are you waiting for? Start your Amazon affiliate journey today.